Here we have a staircase that dates from 1730, and as you can see there's a severe amount of wear in the treads, which have made the staircase very dangerous to walk up and down. So what we're doing is to route out a section, you can see above here, and we're letting in another piece of softwood to build the step up. So we've started to put some patches in these lower sections here, and then we're slowly going up the steps, and then down here it's the next stage on from that, where we've applied the nosing, and also we have replicated, this is the original bead from the staircase, so we've taken that back and reproduced the same profile, which is underneath here now. And then these are all ready for preparing for painting.